Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Get to level 100 or higher so bosses are manageable, and equip a fast weapon to secure last hits. Once ready, use a fruit detector or monitor fruit dealer times. This saves you running blind. Make sure to join an active server or a party, because shared kills speed spawns and improve your chances. Do this now, and you'll trigger the first fruit spawns faster. Once you see a drop, prioritize grabbing it before others can. Now you move into controlled farming. Target high-yield bosses and event spawns because they drop fruits more often. Use server hopping strategically. Save at a spawn point, switch servers, then return to reset timers. Once done, coordinate roles with teammates, one looter to pick the fruit, one tank to hold aggro, and one to handle ads. This reduces chaos and ensures you secure drops. Make sure to rotate servers patiently. Consistent resets multiply your attempts without wasting time. Finish by acquiring and validating. When you get a fruit, eat it in a safe spot and test its moves on dummies so you know cooldowns and combos. If it's a duplicate, trade or sell for dollar or rerolls. This recovers value. If you miss a drop or it despawns, troubleshoot by checking server lag, relogging, or creating a private party. These steps stabilize spawns. Remember, persistence wins. Keep the cycle, refine timing, and make sure your team communicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.